How can only your friends watch and see your location on Snapchat? Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open Snap. Then when Snap is opening, as you see, you go here on your profile icon, then you click. After when your profile is open, you go here on settings and click again. Then you will go down to see my location here and click. Then my location you have to turn off like this, and then now you will choose my friend like I choose this. So I choose before my friend, so it work with me, and if you choose your friend it will work with you also. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.